So welcome back to online classes. So today I'm going to discuss about a 6 marks question, which are the 6 marks question important for annual exam. So 6 marks question, you will get 7 question. Out of 7, you have to answer any 4. Out of 7, you have to answer any 4 questions. So first, classify the following under American system of accounting. American is modern system of accounting. In modern system of accounting, there are 5 accounts are maintained: assets account, liability account, capital account, expenses losses account, incomes and gains account. So in that we have to classify. We will get any 8 or 10 the ledgers. So that we have to classify under the American system of accounting. For example, furniture. Furniture is an tangible asset, so comes under a asset account. Next, land and building is an fixed assets, comes under a asset account. Salary is an expenses, comes under the expenses account. Next, rent received is an income, so income comes under incomes and gains account. So like this, you will get one question, compulsory question, a 6 marks question. So classification under American system of accounting. Or from this chapter only, we have one more topic, 6 marks question, that is accounting equations. Accounting equations. So we have 2 options here. If you get classification under American system, you won't get this question, that is American, it is accounting equations. Next, compulsory question, analytical petty cash book. So this is compulsory question for 6 months. So petty cash book, petty cash book will record small payments like printing and stationery, postage and telegrams, tiffin charges to customer. So small amount settled to a person, office expenses. So separate analytical column you have to prepare. So already I did many problems on analytical petty cash book. So we can check it in notes. So preparation of analytical petty cash book is a compulsory question. Is an compulsory question for 6 marks. Next, trial balance. So trial balance is important for 6 months. So this is one of the main component of a final account. Trial balance is not a account, is a statement. You have to prepare the trial balance with the help of following ledgers. So we'll get any 10 ledgers. You have to classify. That is, you have to write it. So in a format, a serial number, particulars, ledger folio, debit and credit. So debit balance appears assets, expenses and losses. Assets, expenses and losses. And this credit balance appears liabilities, incomes and gains. So trial balance. So trial balance is a statement prepared with the help of various ledger balances. Now the trial balance. This question also is a very important question for 6 months. So if you won't get trial balance, you will get the rectification of errors. You will get the rectification of errors, but trial balance is very important. In today's video, I have shown the 6 months important questions, classification under American system, analytical petty cash book and trial balance. Accounting equations, rectification of errors is not important. So these are the 3 questions: American system of accounting, classification, analytical petty cash book is a compulsory question and trial balance. So in another video I will take purchase return expenses account, bills receivable account, asset account. So like this you have to classify under American system. So a 6 marks question. Next, analytical petty cash book, compulsory question, 6 marks question. Received cash from the head cashier, that is 1000 rupees. So this amount we have to enter in a amount received column. Next, spent for postage in postage and telegrams column. Traveling expenses to a manager, traveling expenses column. Paid for office cleaning, sundry expenses or miscellaneous expenses, or in other expenses column you can write. Paid subscriptions to a newspaper, sundry expenses. Messaging charges, postage and telegrams. Auto fare, traveling expenses. Xerox charges. Printing and stationery. Refreshment to customers, sundry expenses or other expenses column. Cottage and coolie column. So 6 marks question, prepare trial balance from the following particulars. So in trial balance, debit balance appears assets, expense, losses, and credit balance incomes and gains. So capital, we have to enter credit side. Bills payable is a liability, credit side. Bills receivable is an asset, debit side. Stock is an asset, debit side. Furniture is an asset, debit side. Purchases is an expenses, debit side. Sales is an income, credit side. Discount received is an income, credit side. Carriage is an expenses, debit side. Cash at bank is an asset, debit side. So trial balance, debit balance. In debit column you have to enter the amount of assets, expenses and losses, and credit side incomes, gains and liabilities. So once if you enter all correctly, so balance sheet debit and credit you will get the equal amount.